Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I got the Jimmy Boy glasses. Today we're wearing these, and this was actually inspired by a good YouTube friend and Idiot Outdoors. So shout out to his channel. Well, I got the Jimmy Boy glasses on. Gonna do a quick walk around. It's our air conditioner unit. Little backyard camping, and here we are. What? I was gonna share with you. I love you. Will you share with Dad? I don't know how much of a camp we're gonna do outside, but we're gonna probably listen to the rain and just chill out the rest. Guys, welcome back to the channel, Lower Michigan Adventures. And today what we have is a backyard camping adventure. We got our big cabin tent that we've had for several years now, I think 3. And what are we planning on doing tonight?
Making steak tacos, maybe some s'mores.
We're thinking about making, or we are gonna make steak tacos and some s'mores. Now tonight, there's a good possibility for some possible heavy storm activity. If it gets too crazy, we may have to go inside, and throughout the video, I'll kind of show you the trees and why we may have to, but hopefully it doesn't get too crazy and it's just a nice little light storm. And it may not even storm. There's like a 30% chance. Also, it's like 85 degrees, and with us being right here, we got the air conditioner. In this tent, you can actually install AC. So we're gonna run the AC, so we're gonna be comfortable. We got a couple cots we're gonna set up, and what else? Oh yeah, oh yeah, I almost forgot. I got the Jimmy Boy glasses, and today we're wearing these, and this was actually inspired by a good YouTube friend and Idiot Outdoors. So shout out to his channel and Idiot Outdoors. Link will be in the description. So let's get with this video. If it gets too crazy out tonight, as far as the storms and any heavy wind, we got a branch that's rotted clear up there. I don't know if you can see it very well. This tree has already had a branch bust off of it and is not in that great a shape, so we don't want to have a major accident. But if it's reasonable and light rain and not too crazy with lightning, we should be able to stay out here. And yeah. So this goes right up here like this, and this goes over here.
Are you gonna set it on something?
Yeah. Got a couple boards over here. You do gotta lift this up just a hair. All right, plug her in, turn her on. Might have to fasten this down a little bit, pull it down like this. Got a little skirt. Stop recording. Raring to go. She's jumping ahead of me a little bit. What'd you say? You don't know how to lock it?
I don't think it's locked.
All right, let's go take a look. She's busy and hard at work. And she found a rock. And it looks like I got to get that air conditioner a little bit more level. The sun's actually popping out. Now that one's the one that's got the locking mechanism. As you can see, my personal assistant is doing all the work.
Just because the personal assistant is hella good at it.
Now she's like, would you please help me?
No.
I am sweating profusely. Are you sweating bad?
No, not at all. I'm
She's
perfect.
not sweating at all. I'm
But-
sweating watching her do all the work. Now this is the one that has the locks. And the locks are right here on the side. They go up like this. Oh, first lock, you gotta pull it down. That, there. This one's locked. They're both locked.
I can't get this side locked.
You probably gotta pick it up like I did. Oh, it's the lock's up here. There we go. Phew. Sweat. That's why we gotta have the air conditioner.
Why does this one seem to set up so much higher than this one?
Oh, it does. Check it out and make sure it's comfortable. I gotta prop that air conditioner up a little bit better.
Yeah, and we need to close the windows so it'll get cold in here.
Yeah.
Phew.
All right. I'm gonna leave you that task to close the windows while I prop up the air conditioner. We got the air conditioner. Does the air conditioner look a little bit better?
Yeah.
It's still
Yeah.
sideways.
Yeah, it is.
Jimmy boy, my God. Turn it right. It's got to go over this way.
Better.
Is that straight?
That'll work.
Now I got to fasten that
That'll
down.
work for a hob job.
It's going to cool down and nothing flat in there. Woo woo. I am so grateful that I have my personal assistant here today doing this beautiful.
Here today, gone tomorrow.
Here today, she's going to be gone tomorrow.
Dipping out at work.
She's got to go to work. You don't got to work tomorrow, do you?
Yes, I do.
Oh. Saturday night?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, you're
my
right.
12
You do. You picked up that extra one.
last night. Well, lightning
Instead
hit
of
the
having
building.
3 straight days off, you only had 2. Stop recording. Okay. Get this. Okay. Take this out. Flip this around right here, like this. And you put this up. Grab this. Let's see if I can start this up for you. Flip it down like that. There she goes. She's rolling. She's in the cooking mode. Now look at it. The sun's coming out.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. And we got little Bella, and she wants to play Get You games. Go get it, Lou. Hurry up, come on. Maybe she doesn't want to play Get You games.
Maybe she wants to have a standoff with you.
She's having a standoff with me.
Maybe. These are like the mini beef cubes. They're fine, beef fine cubes.
I'm probably gonna have to go get my paper towel out of my car. Maybe.
Well, I'll get some paper towel because I gotta go get some paper plates and stuff. Taco shells, cheese. You can watch this for a minute.
All right, I think I can handle that task. Stop recording. Bill, I thought you want to play Get You games. Woo! Come on. Go get it.
Paper plate, cheese.
Come on. Your mom's gonna go get paper plates. Hurry up. Bill, you want to play Get You game. Go get it.
So you know I have a new Stanley cup coming.
Which one do you got now?
Corey ordered me one. It's gonna actually come from Etsy, but it's a Stanley and it's gonna have dill pickles on it.
Oh my gosh, she loves dill pickles. Ooh.
It smells delicious.
Smells good. Steam up the camera. Woo! Let's do a quick walk around. Well, I got the Jimmy Boy glasses on. Gonna do a quick walk around the backyard camping adventure. I'm gonna try not to sir air conditioner unit. We're trying to do it proper up here in this backyard camping adventure. My God, we got all kinds of air. I work in a freezer, so when it hits 85, 90, it's pretty hot for me. But we decided we would do a little backyard camping, and here we are. It's gonna cool down later on. It may still storm, but it looks like maybe we got
Clear
some
for
sun.
right now.
Switch screens. This is what we got. Some cheese, taco shells, and some medium, chunky
Chichi sauce.
chichi salsa. And she
Be delish.
always likes putting teriyaki and soy sauce in her steak.
And
Tacos.
sometimes I do it when I make chicken tacos.
Yes, yes indeed.
Gives it good flavor.
Yes it does. Bella, would you want to play Get You game? Go ahead.
I had two kinds of cheeses I mixed together in the baggie.
It's gonna be so good, so delicious. Lou, I didn't even throw it yet. Go get it. My gosh. You did. You went to play get you game. It's so humid out here today. Go get it. We got our chairs right here. We're gonna move this over yonder just a little bit. And later on this evening, in a little bit, a couple hours, we'll have a little campfire. Stop recording. And in case you aren't realizing, I'm actually wearing another YouTuber creator's shirt, and this is Expeditionary Johnny. Expeditionary Johnny. Check out his channel. I'm going to put a link to his channel in the description also, along with An Idiot Outdoors. Thanks for the recent shout out, brother, and I can't wait to get a hold of that cup. I think we're going to have a little brewski in it. Cheers. Stop recording. She said it's just about done, although she said just a few more minutes. We'll be having some tacos. Thank goodness for the personal assistant and her beautiful, awesome cooking. Cheers. Stop recording. Ooh, that's some good salsa right there. Ta-da! Ooh, looks delicious. We got some mosquitoes out here.
Yeah, terrible.
They want our food. I think they want our food. Uncle Joe, I bet you would like these tacos.
Here you go.
Ah, Jimmy boy. Jimmy boy. Ooh, those look so good. Ah. Stop recording.
Sit down, Bella. Come on. Good.
Well, we tried. It's all about the shots. I'm gonna trash my Expeditionary Johnny shirt and get taco juice all over it.
I guess I'll give your food to the wild cat.
No, the cat's gonna eat your food. She got a mosquito or something on her nose.
Hi, dear. Go.
Stop recording. No, I'll just share with you. We're gonna get your nummies. Bella, I'm gonna get him. You gonna get mad?
Eat, Bella. It's yum.
We're gonna get him. What? I was going to share with you. I love you. Will you share with Daddy?
No, she's not eating the steak.
Lou, you don't like the steak? She's eating a cheese, but she's eating the cheese, but not the steak. Weird. Stop recording. Well, dinner's done. The boss is cleaning up. What do you got?
A cushion.
Want to make sure you got the... Oh, I hear thunder.
I do too.
Oh, we're in for some trouble. Make it a double trouble. Maybe we're going to have some storms.
Not very cool in here at all.
It will be.
No, it's not.
It will be. We got to put the fan in front of the window.
It's hot as shit in here.
Oh, that ain't too bad. Let me get the fan in front of the window. Oh, hear the thunder. Let the thunder roll.
Oh, no, no way.
We got an approaching storm. I need to get my sleeping pad for mine. We need to run in and grab a fan for in here, because this is not working out too good. The sun's beating down. We got thunderstorms off to the distance. I'm going to run a cord in here, another cord, and we're going to run the fan.
You didn't put that big tarp on here, would have kept it cooler.
Well, yeah. We generally have the big tarp on this, but today I wanted to test it out, and we're paying the price of the heat. But we're actually not supposed to actually start up till later on here. So, anyways, we'll get back with you in a little bit. Sound like that was slowing down, the air conditioner.
Yeah.
I messed up, Jimmy. Hello? The wife is actually running the live now. She's running the live. So it did start storming. I accidentally cut a couple pieces of clip. It was storming pretty good. As you can see, we got some pretty good rain. I accidentally deleted 2 clips. Lou, don't. You're going to get wet. Baby, you're going to get wet. Now I got to check and make sure my mic's working. Make sure I didn't goof my mic up. That's what I'm worried about now. I might have got it wet where it's not working now.
It looks nice and green where we're at.
It is very nice and green. So I went inside and changed my shirt. It was soaking wet. It's been doing nothing but raining. We were hoping that we could do s'mores and have a little fire, but the rain hasn't lit up. I'm probably going to take you out there in a couple minutes, but the wife's getting all cozy. We got our beds in here. We hurried up and did that because we got a quick break in the rain. It came in quick and it just died down for just a few minutes, and we decided we better hurry up and get all our bedding in here so we're all comfy and ready for tonight, in case we can't go back out and start a fire or anything, because everything is just drenched. We actually just did a live too. So Bella's pacing back and forth. I'm over here right now watching an old video with collaboration with one of my good buddies. We'll take a kick back here and watch a little bit of this. Stop recording.
Alright, so we're going to try, I don't know if Jamie's going to try it, but I'm going to try Blues on Tennessee Red barbecue sauce. Let's see what we got here.
Belle's getting all cozy. Belle, are you getting all cozy? My God, Lou. My God, Lou. You was all cozy. And your ma, she says, don't get that light.
Just give me a little bit. No, I don't want to pour too much. What if I spill it? Ah, there's not much there.
I think somebody's tired. Maybe she only slept like 4 hours today. Lou, are you tired? Well, we just got rain. So I'm kicking back in the tent, listening to the rain, watching some old videos on YouTube of some of my favorite creators and collaborations that we've done. Stop recording. Stop recording.
Check them out. Welcome. How are you doing? Nice to meet you. Yeah, I thought so.
Stop recording.
We're going to do some good cooking. We're going to socialize. We're just going to basically have a good time. We wanted to meet up.
I absolutely love doing these collabs. They're so much fun.
Actually, he's teaching me
A lot of good memories.
we're going to take you on an adventure and
Stop recording. Oh, what are you doing? It's getting a drink. The floor's got a little bit of water's getting in from where I didn't hang the canopy just right over the tent, so it's leaking in by this door. Other than that, it's not too bad, except for where we've been tracking. It's raining pretty good out here. I don't know how much of a camp we're going to do outside, but we're going to probably listen to the rain and just chill out the rest of the night inside. Wife's sleeping. I gotta go get my pillow and blanket. Jimmy's gotta go get his pillow and blanket. Guys, rain ain't seeming to lit up any. The wife's all tired out. She's crashed out. Belle's here chilled out. Probably not gonna have a fire tonight or s'mores because the rain is just relentless. It just keeps coming. And I figured it may stop, but I'm going to wrap up tonight's video, and we're going to try a little Crown Royal Apple and a sleeping pill. Melatonin. Let's see how this goes. Unless anything else crazy happens tonight, we may be cutting this video. We tried to make a video. I think it turned out okay. We didn't do a live too. We'll catch you at the next one. Cut. Oh my God, I almost forgot. Love, peace, and chicken grease.